MCE5 is nonetheless a major evolution. It completes the technological content of internal combustion engines with an essential functionality, the variable compression ratio. From the outside, it's difficult to see what differentiates an MCE5 engine from an ordinary one. One would think it is a conventional gasoline engine. Its architecture and dimensions are very similar, as are its noise and vibration behavior. The difference is inside. MCE5 is the combination of a conventional rod crank system with gears like those found in gearboxes. This arrangement, exclusively based on mechanics, radically improves the engine's capabilities in terms of performance, fuel efficiency, and pollutant emissions management. The figures speak for themselves. Coupled to a two-stage turbocharger, the MCE5 engine can multiply torque by 3 and power by 2, with significant safety margins. This means that it's possible to produce a 1.5-litre cubic capacity MCE5 engine with the power of a 3-litre V6 and the torque of a large diesel. MCE5 applies downsizing and downspeeding strategies with unparalleled efficiency, which leads to an initial fuel consumption reduction of roughly 25%. Moreover, the MCE5 engine can, at any moment, adapt its compression ratio to each driving situation. This function increases the engine's energy efficiency by an additional 8 to 12%, thereby allowing fuel consumption to be reduced by up to 35% with respect to the reference European driving cycle. But that's not all, since the compression ratio is a fundamental characteristic strongly affecting physical and chemical combustion phenomena. For this reason, compression ratio control opens up prospects that are inconceivable for conventional engines. In the short term, MCE5 will, for instance, permit the implementation of the high-efficiency Atkinson cycle. It will ensure optimum combustion quality even under high EGR ratios. It will also permit the ignition of the charge by compression over an extended range of engine loads and speeds. The MCE5 engine will also bring back to the foreground lean burn strategies by providing them with the efficiency they currently lack. MCE5 also opens up the possibility of consuming different types of fuel, including natural gas and biofuels, with the highest possible efficiency. MCE5 pushes back the limits of all automobile engine strategies without any risk of reducing their efficiency. MCE5 technology is a critical key that opens up a new era, that of variable compression ratio engines. These engines, also called VCR engines, will transform cars to make them more attractive, cleaner, and more fuel efficient. VCR strategy has been around for quite some time. So why MCE5 rather than another technology? The answer is simple. It's because MCE5 is by far the most efficient and highest performing of all the VCR technologies designed to date. This guarantees the effectiveness of the VCR strategy. Let's have a closer look. MCE5 offers the widest control range that exists, with a compression ratio that varies continuously from 7:1 to 18:1. MCE5 also offers excellent precision of plus or minus 0.05 of a millimeter, with a compression ratio actuation speed of a few dozen milliseconds. MCE5 is also the most flexible VCR technology, allowing individual compression ratio control for each of the engine cylinders. Due to this, MCE5 is the first and only intelligent VCR engine to propose a floating compression ratio, meaning that it